The smart money is moving. While everyone else is distracted by the latest crypto of the week or sweating over a stuttering stock market, the world's wealthiest institutions are quietly loading up on the one asset that has never gone to zero: gold. We've officially entered a new gold supercycle in 2026. Search volume for how to buy gold is exploding, and the CPMs, that's the ad revenue for creators in this niche, are through the roof. But here's the problem: most gold content is boring, academic, or feels like a dry history lesson. To win here, you need authority. Today I'm going to show you how to skip the 40 hours of research and launch a high authority gold empire in under 48 hours using the Gold Authority Starter Kit. I'm breaking down a resource that's a total game changer for affiliate marketers, bloggers, and YouTubers. It's called the Golden Authority Starter Kit. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this just more AI slop? No. This is precisely engineered content for the current 2026 market. It covers specific price points like gold hitting $4,800 an ounce and modern tech like tokenized gold assets. Here's what's under the hood. Module 1, the Authority Article Pack. You're getting 5 long-form, deeply researched articles. We're talking topics like physical versus digital gold and portfolio strategies backed by history. These aren't 200-word blurbs. They're 500 to 750-word authority pieces. Module 2, the 7-day Gold Rush email sequence. This is a $10 add-on that's a no-brainer. It's a full funnel. It starts with pure value, explains the 2026 decoupling, and leads your audience toward a sale. You could hire a finance copywriter and pay $1,500 for this, or you can grab this kit for the price of a couple of lattes. Okay, I have the content. How do I turn it into money? Let's get into the high leverage ways to use this kit to generate evergreen traffic. 1. The Faceless YouTube channel. This is my favorite. Take Article 2, the Smart Investor's Guide, and use it as your word-for-word script. Throw some high-quality B-roll over it, and you've got a high CPM video ready to go. 2. The High-Ticket Lead Magnet. Combine all 5 articles into a 2026 Gold Investor's Guide PDF. This is how you build a list of high net worth individuals. In the finance niche, an email lead can be worth $20, $50, or even $100. Short form hooks. Take the physical versus digital article and break it into 3 60-second scripts for TikTok or Reels. Use the supercycle data to create a "wait, did you see this" style hook. 4. The affiliate pre-sales. This is where the real money is. Use the article, "How much gold should you own?" as a bridge page. Educate the reader, then provide your affiliate link to a trusted gold IRA company or a bullion dealer. You aren't selling, you're providing the logical next step. Look, the reason most people fail in the money niche is that they sound like they don't know what they're talking about. You can't fake authority in finance. The Golden Authority Starter Kit gives you that seasoned pro voice immediately. It mentions the supply squeeze, the central bank reports, and the geopolitical tensions that are driving prices right now. It's PLR, which means you could edit it, put your name on it, and brand it as your own. You're not just buying articles, you're buying a 40-hour head start. If you want to claim your stake in the most explosive niche of 2026 without spending weeks in the research phase, click the link in the description below. For $17 total, That's $7 for the articles and $10 for the email sequence. You can have an instant profit engine ready to go. Stop guesstimating. Start dominating. Grab the Golden Authority Starter Kit at the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.